I wasn't going to talk about it. I didn't want to. This is welcome to the show, by the way. This is BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO. This is the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, and it's a show for children. For anybody who loves Sesame Street, this is like Sesame Street for the reservation. I didn't want to have to talk about what's going on down in Minneapolis and every city right now. I didn't want to chime in on the my corona, on the pandemic. I didn't want to have to talk about any of that because everybody else already is. What can I say? But now, now I kind of want to. So what was I going to say about it? Oh, tearing down the Columbus statues. Dear ANTIFA, dear guilty non-Indian people who think they're doing something for the Native Americans. That's okay. You don't have to tear down any more statues. And I say this not as a Native American, not as an American at all. I say this as an artist. Please quit wrecking these statues. The guy who made the statue, he didn't have, an intent. It wasn't like one of the KKK members said, "Hey, you know what we should do? Let's build a beautiful bronze statue of Columbus and really stick it to the Indians." I don't think that's the way it went down. So, before things go any further, leave Paul Bunyan alone. Yes, we understand. He's a great big scary white man. He probably represents the European migration into Indian territory. He probably represents, deforestation. I don't even want to get into what Babe is about. But please, you don't have to destroy Paul Bunyan. That's not going to make anybody happy. No one's mad at the Paul Bunyan statue. It's not like the Shanabs and Bemidji are going, "Hey, how come our statue of Chief Bemidji is so much smaller than Paul Bunyan?" That's racist. Nobody's saying that. So leave Paul Bunyan alone. We know it's hokey, but it's ours, okay? That's the only thing this town is known for. There's our Paul Bunyan statue. Please don't tear it down. And that goes the same for Mount Rushmore. Yeah, we all kind of tease Mount Rushmore. And everyone's like, "Oh yeah, that's not so great. You should see our statue of Crazy Horse. That's going to be way bigger." But here's the deal. I don't even know the guy's name. The greatest American artist ever who made Mount Rushmore. But I guess he did all 4 of those faces in 4 years. As an artist, I respect that. How would you even draw something that big, let alone carve it in stone? It's an amazing achievement. And it has basically put South Dakota on the map. Let's face it. Nobody says, "Oh yeah, South Dakota, isn't that where Pine Ridge is?" Everyone's like, "Oh yeah, Mount Rushmore. We should take the kids out there to see." "Oh, should we go to Pine Ridge?" No, let's go to Mount Rushmore. Because that's a vacation spot. Please don't blow up Mount Rushmore. And don't tear down Paul Bunyan. I'm just asking you that. Otherwise, you can have Seattle. We don't care. I wasn't going to go there anyway. It's yours. You wanna have your little summer of love and no cops and Chaz or Chop or whatever it's called. Take it. I don't care. But leave our Paul Bunyan alone. And leave... I'll even give you the Statue of Liberty. You want to tear down a statue? Tear down the Statue of Liberty. That thing is green. It's ugly. Nobody understands it. You can have Statue of Liberty. Oh, give us your huddled masses. No. Don't listen to her. You can have the Statue of Liberty. Just please don't tear down the Mount Rushmore. And leave Paul Bunyan alone. How about that guy in front of Morel's? You want to tear him down? You should tear down that tree that's blocking the view of him. Alright. Well, hey. That's all I had to say. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO! Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minowa, Hoa. All right, and don't forget, Paul Bunyan lives matter. Leave Paul Bunyan alone. Leave him alone. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, glowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads, take me home, down country roads. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minowa, Hoa. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, you can still contribute to our GoFundMe page. Just click the link to that. Thank you so much. Miigwech. Chee miigwech. Big thanks. All right, let's get out of here.